amazing morning! I am a woman who likes to take care of herself. I have so many friends who drink amazing pure organic barley. Thank God, wala pa naman, but prevention is better than cure. Kamusta ba ang effect? But, I feel great. Sa dami ng trabaho ko at lumipas ang COVID era, hindi po tayo nagkasakit. And thank you talaga. I can say, itong products kasi, masasabi mong puro, authentic, at saka organic. If you want to start a healthy lifestyle, kailangan simulan nyo dito sa amazing pure organic barley. Consistency is the key. Kailangan makasanayan nyo yan at makikita nyo ang effect. I am Aramina and I am worldwide.